Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's Monday, and y'all know what that means? Meal prepping. Meal prep Monday. So I've already gotten started, as you can see. I also have my meat that I set out last night waiting for me. I have some right here as well. I have chicken thighs, ground turkey, and I have a roast right here. I am tired, y'all, and so I'm really just getting right into it. To be completely honest, I did not want to record content today. I also didn't want to do meal prep. I don't want to do absolutely anything. I just am not feeling it. It's a rainy day outside, but that don't have nothing to do with it. I just haven't been feeling it, y'all. I just been feeling low in energy. I've been feeling just a lot. Parenting is hard. Being a mother is really hard. So yeah, y'all, maybe throughout this vlog I'll talk to y'all about some of the things that I've been going through and experiencing, if I just feel up to talk about it. But y'all, yeah, as y'all can see, I got my little fall decorations up. I got some over here as well. Y'all can see over there, some dishes over there. But it's a little, I'll show y'all when it's clean on this vlog. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get started. I got this little one here with me today. My other baby is at school, and so it is 10:39. I am running behind, but that is totally my fault. I have to really start getting up at the time that I say I'm going to get up, and that's just that. I was tired and I stayed in the bed. I got up at like maybe 7:30, and I am changing my routine, y'all. Not too much. I'm just making some adjustments to it now that he's older. My baby's back in school, all that good stuff. So there gotta be some changes that gotta be made. I don't really like change like that. I thought I did. I thought I was okay with change because there's been so much change in my life. But what I'm realizing that when it comes to change, I think I have connected change to negativity, or negative experiences, should I say. And yeah, so when change happens, it gets hard for me. So yeah, we are running behind because I did, I'm adjusting my morning schedule, and yeah, that's pretty much that, y'all. Gonna go ahead and get started. I don't know what all I'm gonna show in today's vlog, because like I told you guys, I don't really feel like it, but I'm not really following my feelings today. I'm just gonna do what I don't want to do today because I know I'm supposed to. It's a part of my schedule. So this is what we have on the schedule for today. This is what we have on the menu for today, and that's pretty much it, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so we're all set. I'm gonna use these glass pans for my sausages. This is for the stuffed pepper bows, and this one is for the eggs. I have to find something better to clean these. I think I messed up my pan, which is a really good pan that I had. But yeah, I got the chicken boiling over here, y'all. I'm about to mix the meat for the breakfast sausages up in there, and we're about to get started. This little one don't want to, he don't want to get down. Dang, the lighting sucks. That better? It's better. He don't want to get down, y'all. And I'm trying to get this done. I'm tired. Y'all can see it in my face. And he don't want me to put him down. So this might be a rough one. That's what we got going on here right now. So, toys in the kitchen. I'm at the doctor with my sister. I gotta get back home so that I can meal prep. Y'all, I look like Sue. Ooh, my hair curls are so tight. But I'm ending this vlog, y'all. I finished my meal prep. I'm about to post my personal content, and I had a class that I started today. It was from 6 to 8:30, as you guys seen. I also had to take my sister to the doctor, and we went to the store. I took my child out for ice cream, all that. Now I am sitting here. I just got done reading my word, and I'm about to journal. But I wanted to end this vlog off, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you know, when I first started it, I did not want to vlog at all, but I did it anyway. No matter how it is, how it looks, it's done. And so yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. If you don't, word of encouragement for the day, if you don't feel like it, check deep within yourself to ask yourself, should you? Are your feelings deceiving you and holding you back from doing what it is that you know you should do? If so, do it anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos. I typically upload videos on every Friday. So press that post notification bell so that you're notified when I do upload. I'm starting to upload more on Saturday as well. So go ahead and do that so you'll know. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed, and prosperous day. And like I always love to say, be you, because you are enough. Bye, y'all.